Here's a certified 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standard set by the GL class meld with the standard set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It comes with great features you love: intercooled turbo i6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and multi-zone climate control. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,